Well, hello there, my YouTube family. It's me here doing another video. I just thought I'd give you guys an update on what's going on outside. As y'all can see, we got another winter storm today, and it's still snowing. And I got quite a bit of wildlife here right now. I'll see if I can zoom in. I had a blue jay just a minute ago. I just recently realized how big they got. But yeah, look at the snow, guys. It's supposed to get up to 12 inches, and it's still snowing. It is still snowing right now. And I got a lot of birds on a feeder today, of course. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys the wildlife I got going on out here, and also show you guys the snow that came into our town. And it's still snowing. So yeah, winter has came. Well, winter's been here, but you know, bird feeders. Don't know if I'll see any squirrels today, but the birds are just as good. Ah, guys. We're supposed to get up to 12 inches, so. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna get off here. I just wanted to do a video for you guys to show you guys what things looking like here right now. We did get our winter. I know it's been really wintering in the East Coast, but now like a lot of us Midwest people are getting it too. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. If you like these type of videos, please feel free to like, subscribe. I would love that. Oh guys, there's a red cardinals. Oh my gosh. Look, y'all. Ain't that beautiful? We had a blue jay earlier. But yeah. Oh, that's a beautiful bird. I love when I could capture those. On that note, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If you like these type of videos, pets and plants, please be sure to give me a like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you ain't already. And please hit the notification bell so you get all my videos as soon as they come out. And until the next one, may y'all have yourselves a blessed day. And please stay safe out there. May God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye.